Hello, welcome to my channel. It is good you know the position of your gas cylinder and gas cooker before purchasing a hose pipe so that you will know the actual length to buy. If your hose pipe is not the type that needs a clip or a clamp, you simply attach one end of the pipe to the gas outlet nozzle of your regulator and the other end to the back nozzle of your gas cooker as shown in the video. But if your hose pipe needs a clip, like the one in this video, this is how you install the clip. You don't need a screwdriver if you don't have one at home. A kitchen knife or any home instrument shaped as such can do the job. You just have to be careful while using a knife to avoid it hurting you. When the ignition lever is facing up, it is on. When it is parallel to the floor, it is off. As you can see in the video, if the ignition lever is on, the red pointer of the gauge meter moves right. When it is off, the pointer moves extreme left. When the pointer is on yellow, the cylinder is full or almost full gauge. On green, it is half gauge or thereabouts. On red, the gas is finished or almost finished. Before you light the gas cooker and oven, be sure that the ignition lever is switched on. The extreme left and right knobs are for the back left and right burners respectively. The next knobs to them are for the front left and right burners respectively. The middle knob is for the oven. Please subscribe.